Hi, everybody, and welcome to this episode of my In Trust with Nicole series, where we will answer questions, all your burning questions about wills, trust, and estates, so you could plan for you and your family's future to keep them out of court and conflict. Now, this week we have a question from Matthew, and Matthew asks, should I leave money for my child with special needs in my will? Now, this is a great question, and the answer, the short and long of it, is no, and let me explain why. So when planning for a loved one with special needs, you must be extremely careful and always work with an experienced lawyer, because if handled improperly, you can easily disqualify your loved one with special needs from much needed government benefits. Now, because individuals with special needs often require a lifetime of care, most of them rely on government programs to offset the exorbitant cost of such care. However, these programs have strict income limits, so if you leave money directly to a person with special needs, such as through your will, you risk disqualifying him or her for those benefits. Now, instead, the government allows assets to be held in what's known as a special needs trust to provide supplemental financial resources for the person for the rest of his or her life, while preserving their access to government benefits. However, the rules for special needs trust are complicated and can vary greatly between different states. So if you have a loved one with special needs, be sure to consult with a lawyer who can make certain that upon your death, your loved one with special needs would have the financial means they need to live a full life without jeopardizing their access to vital government benefits. So Matthew, I hope that does answer your question. If not, follow up, info@nicoleisraellaw.com. I'm happy to answer any questions about wills, trusts, and estates. And you can always visit my website at www.nicoleisraellaw.com. And thanks again for tuning in, and I hope to see you again next week.